Affiliate Marketing 101, The Basics to a Successful Venture. Learning and earning go hand in hand. If you take the time to learn the things that you need to know to succeed in affiliate marketing, you are sure to start earning. The advice that is included in this video is meant to help you learn to succeed in your business. Place keywords in website content. By doing this, the search engines will recognize that your site is probably related to certain keywords and rank the site accordingly. But take care to do this naturally. Abnormal keyword stuffing seems unnatural and unreadable to some. Just use the keywords in a conversational way. Remember that affiliate marketing should not be looked at as a get-rich-quick plan. Be patient and know that affiliate monies grow with time and effort. Keep your referral links active. There are different affiliate programs, and if one doesn't work for you, look for another one. Affiliate marketing is a great opportunity to gain passive income if you use it well. It is important that you treat your website visitors right. They know an affiliate advertisement when they see one. If you endorse a product that you do not believe in, or if you take advantage of their visit with excessive ads, then they will not visit your website in the future. Earn more on your website or blog by balancing out pay-per-click advertising with affiliate links. Affiliate links should take more of your high-profile advertising space because they earn you more money per click. Affiliate marketing programs also give you more control over the content of the advertising on your site, which is important in building up your reputation with readers. Hopefully, you have learned the things that will help you earn in your affiliate marketing business. Surely, this information is going to help you in one way or another, as long as you take the time to apply it to the plan that you have made up for your affiliate marketing business. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.